In Python, it's very simple. All you have to do is to declare the modules for the permutation. So we need to call first or invoke the iter tools. So the iter tools, it has a sub-functions or methods or what we call the permutations. From the word itself, that is permutation. You mutate it. So we need to create a loop and then use the iter tools our class and the subclass for permutations. And we use the, what is that? That is the tuples, and we use the list. So for the list, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Just imagine we create the random and then we produce the random as part of the permutations. And then we need to display the value of x. So this x will be spawned. Pag sinabi nitong spawn, i-generate yung value 1, 2, 3, 4 sa iba't ibang values. So we need to print the value of x, and then if you run the program, so that is the result for 1, 40, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is part of our data analytics, but you can apply this in your what? You can apply this in your view methods.